Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Tabby account on Android phone. So first of all, you will have to launch your Tabby mobile application, and then you just have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you just have to select the personal information option among all. Now after tapping on the personal information section, you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see all of your personal details. Now among these, you just have to simply tap on the delete account option in the bottom, and then you will be landed on the next page where it will ask you to provide the reason of your deletion of your account. So you just have to select the continue option in the bottom and then select your reason. After that, it will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your account. So you need to tap on the delete account option again, and this way you will be able to basically delete your Tabby account on your Android phone. Now for any reason, if you are not able to download your account this way, in the second method, what you can do is you can simply contact with the customer service from Tabby. For that, you need to launch your Tabby mobile app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will be able to see the customer service or the help option, so you can just select that, and after that you can simply call them on phone, or you can even mail them that you want to delete your account, and they are going to do it for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.